Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is acetone. 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 Acetone is a noun referring to a colorless, volatile liquid that is an important organic solvent. It is known for its ability to dissolve a wide range of substances and is used in various fields, including industry, cosmetics, and household applications. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The lacquer industry relies on acetone as a solvent in the production of lacquers and finishes. Why acetone is used in example number 1. Acetone is used as a solvent in lacquer and finish production. Example number 2. Scientists utilize acetone in various experiments and research processes due to its versatile solvent properties. Why acetone is used in example number 2. Acetone is used in experiments and research due to its versatile solvent properties. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.